Here I have AMG MS6, and let me show you how to make side mirrors fold in automatically on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now all you need to do is find and select the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now let's use the upper menu and let's switch here to the convenience tab, so the third tab. Now you need to scroll, and let's scroll far enough to find here mirrors auto fold. So turning this on tells the electric side mirrors to automatically fold flat against the car doors or the car's doors every time you lock the vehicle. This protects the mirrors from being clipped or damaged by passing cars while parked on narrow city streets, and gives you a quick visual cue that your car is locked. I think it's quite nice. I always use this feature, so now all I need to do is use this switcher, and now I can use the automatic mirrors. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.